my name is Ram Rawat from Team Black Belt, and in this video I'm going to show you how Bling app works and how you can use it to your advantage to make money online. So there are 4 ways to make money online with Bling app. The first method is creating content for others. So there are people like bloggers, Instagram influencers who are looking for someone who can create content on daily basis, and they are ready to pay from $5 to $10 for each post. And I'll give you the live example that this thing is completely real. So here we are. This is Fiverr, where people usually outsource their work. So I'll look for Instagram posts and we will see how much a normal vendor is charging for creating an Instagram post. So let's select this vendor and we can see this person is charging $10 for a basic one attractive, professional and clean branded Instagram post design. So the person is charging $10. Let's see the premium package up to $45. So you can charge all these bloggers and these influencers from $5 to $10 for each post. The best thing about the whole system is that usually to create these kind of posts, it is going to take you 15 to 20 minutes. Let's come back here. Let's see what kind of post this person has created. So this person is mostly creating these kind of Instagram posts where there's a quote written along with an image. So to create these kind of images, it is going to take you 15 to 20 minutes on Photoshop and Illustrator. And along with that, you will also need the technical skills to use those apps. But for Bling app, you just need 60 seconds to create these kind of images, and there is no learning curve. I'll just directly go inside the Bling app dashboard and I'll show you how it's done. So we go inside Instagram posting option and we click on the create new post. Now we can either pick an image from internet and pull that image, import that image inside the app, or we can upload our own image. So if we want to upload our own image, we can do it from here. But suppose we want to edit with a specific background and with a specific content, then we have to pick an image from internet. So we'll go on Google and say I want to create a motivational post or a post with a quote on it. So let's say we are going to create a post with time is money, and let's pick a wallpaper. So for example, I pick city wallpaper. I'll go to images and I'll pick an image from this. So I like this image. It has a sea view. I'll right click on it and I'll select the image address. That is the URL of the image. And I'll go back to the app. I'll add the URL here and I'll click outside the box. And we have our image imported inside Bling app. So this is step 1. Now we want to add it as per our requirements. So we will go inside the editor and we'll scroll down. Now we see all the editing options here. First thing we have to do, let's make it in square shape. So let's crop the image. I'll click on square option, selected. Now the image is cropped. Now I want to add text on it, which says time is money. If I want to change the color, I want to make it bold, I can do that. I can change the color of the text. It's a white. Okay, it blends. If I want to add a background to this thing, then I can add a small rectangle. And if I want to add any icon or any additional thing, I can do it from here. Suppose I want to add a star. Maybe red, white, black, whatever you want to do, you can go with your requirements. So let's say this is my final output. So the thing is, you can use this editor to create any kind of images. And along with that, you can also add certain filters to it. So for example, you want to grayscale the image. Now it's black and white. if you want to add a certain color to the image, suppose I want this whole thing to go red, with a red filter, then I selected the color and I'll make it red. So now the image is completely red. If I want to post it like this, I can do that. If I want to remove the filter, I'll remove the filter. So as of now, let's go with the basic. The thing is, you can use this editor to create all kind of images which a Fiverr vendor is offering for starting from $10 to $45. So I would recommend you can get started with selling these kind of posts for $5, and you can charge between $5 to $20, and that way you can make good amount of money by creating these posts, which hardly takes 60 seconds to get it done inside the Bling app. So now I'll save the image, and here we are. Our post is ready, our image is ready as per our requirements, and you can sell this image to all these people who are looking for this kind of editing on their content. So you can sell this post for $5 to $10 and start making money by simply using 60 seconds of your time. So that's method one. Then there is method two, where what you are going to do is you are going to leverage the requirements of these Instagram users. So there are people who are bloggers, influencers, who require to post the content on regular intervals. And what you can do, you can become their social media manager. Using the Bling app, you can manage their Instagram accounts. You can schedule the post for their next hour, day, week, month. Even for coming years, you can post the content and schedule the content using Bling app. That is one thing. Second, you can increase the engagement by using auto comment and reply option inside the Bling app. So I'll take you back here. But before I do that, let me schedule the post. Let me schedule this post for a particular time. Right now it's 9:20 p.m. in Indian Standard Time, and I am going to schedule the post for, let's say, 9:22 p.m. I've selected the timeline. I'll schedule the post for 9:22 p.m. I'll select the Instagram account. So I'm using this test account which says team black belt _test. This is the Instagram account. I'll refresh the page. So as of now, there are 10 posts. And now we go back here, we'll schedule the post. Let's call this campaign as time is money. Let's add the caption. Let's add the hashtags. If you want to look for hashtags, you can do it here. I'll show that in the next slide. But before we do that, let's schedule this post so we can see whether this thing works or not. So I have scheduled the post for 9:22 p.m. and I'll click on the submit button. And my post is scheduled. I can check my post inside the scheduler. Time is money. This is scheduled for 9:22 p.m. This is the time when it got scheduled. Okay, so we have 1 minute before it gets posted on the Instagram. So let's review the other features of the app. So next option is replay template. So suppose you want to provide a reply to anyone who comments on your post. So I can create a template from here. I'll keep it generic. Let's say reply time 1. Okay, this is the name of the template which we will select, and we say thanks for your time, and I'll mention the user by selecting this tag from here. So the person will get tagged in the comment when I'm replying to their comment. Okay, so this is done. I'll submit it. So now I have saved a template for the reply, and now I'll add this template to the post which we just checked. So time is money. This post is completed. It's already on the Instagram account now. So we can refresh this page and we can see the Instagram post that we just did. Okay, so now you can see the time is money post is already on the Instagram. It got posted 48 seconds ago. So our scheduler works, and you can schedule multiple posts for multiple Instagram accounts inside the Bling app. So even if you wanted to post the same thing to multiple accounts, you could have done it by selecting multiple Instagram accounts during scheduler. Then this thing is done. Then we move to the replay template. We create a campaign for the replay template. So right now we posted this image. We'll select the option, we'll enable the auto comment reply, and we select the template that we created, that is reply time 1. I've saved it. Done. Now whoever comments on this post will get a reply which is added by us that says thanks for your time. So I'll use my personal account to like this post, and I'll comment on it from my personal account from my mobile phone. So I've opened the post, I've liked it from Ram Rawat account, and now I'm posting a comment on it. I'm saying wonderful post, and I posted it from my personal account. Now we'll go back on the Instagram, we'll refresh the page, and we will see whether our comment is posted or not. So you can see from my personal account, I've liked the image 34 seconds back, and 10 seconds back I've posted wonderful post. Okay, now we'll go back to the post, and this was the comment done from my personal account. Now we see
the reply
which got posted from the auto comment option, which says thanks for your time. So the engagement of the user can also be managed through Bling app. You can simply set your comment templates, and you can keep your users engaged for any Instagram account, for any Instagram post. You can schedule the posts, and you can keep the engagement high, and you can even find the hashtags and viral posts for any keyword you want. For example, I want to find posts related to trending shoes. So I'll simply write shoes here. Now we can see these are the posts, top media posts, which are using the shoes hashtag, and we can pick, we can select the one with the maximum likes. We can check it out by simply clicking on it. We can see the actual post on Instagram. We can see what kind of other hashtags they have used. We can see what kind of post the image post was done. So based on this, we can take a call what kind of post we have to create for shoes by doing the research inside the Bling app. So we can find all kind of trending posts related to shoe hashtag here. You can see here there is one more post. You can go and check it out. You can see these posts are getting good kind of engagement, and you can create your content based on the response on these posts, and you can make a wise decision while creating a better content. So this is from top media, top engaging posts related to shoe hashtag. Then if you scroll down, you will also find the recent posts done for shoe hashtag. So if we want to open any of these, we can find these are the latest posts done. So you can see here it's done 1 minute ago, it's posted 1 minute ago. If you want to go back, we can check a few more, any random image. See, this post was done 2 minutes ago. So we can find the recent posts as well as the trending post for any keyword, and we can create and select the hashtags, and we can create the posts as per the market, as per the trending content out there. Let's talk about how you can make these $100 to $600 by charging your customers as a social media manager. So you go back here, you go inside Fiverr account, and you can check the people just to manage your account are charging from $120 to $300. So this particular vendor is charging from $100 to $300. I have selected a couple of vendors over here. These people are charging from $150 to $350. Then there is one more. This person is charging $240 just to manage your 30 days of Instagram account, where he will be creating one post per day for next 30 days. and he will be charging $240. So just to create a post we just saw takes hardly 60 seconds inside the Instagram posting option, and this person is going to charge customer $240 to doing that. And the premium option is for $660, where the person will be creating 3 posts per day. So this will take him hardly 90 minutes, like 3 into 30, that is 90 total posts he is going to create in a month for one customer, and he's going to charge $660. And to create a post, it hardly takes just 60 seconds inside this create the post option of the Bling app. So you can see this app is wonderful. You can utilize it to your benefit by creating the content for yourself, for others, and you can charge them heavily, and you can make money by leveraging the need of these users. Then the third one is you can grow your own business or affiliate marketing business through online, and you can start generating sales. This can be done by finding the viral content in your niche, creating the viral content for your Instagram, your Facebook, or other social media pages. You can even manage your multiple Instagram accounts under one dashboard. So let's go back to the app, and you can see here is the option of importing the accounts. So if we come here, I've already added one account. If I want to add multiple accounts, I can simply log in with Facebook, and I can add n number of accounts inside this app, and I can post on all the accounts at once by creating the Instagram post. So I'll simply create the post, and for example, I'll just show it to you. If I want to post this image to like n number of accounts, so right now I have added only one account. I want to add more accounts, I can add it from there, and once that is done, then I can select all those accounts and I can submit the post at once, and it will be posted on all the accounts at once. So that's the beauty of this thing. You can manage multiple Instagram accounts inside one dashboard. And the final one is you can follow our Instagram marketing training, which is inside the Bling app here. You click on the training option and it will take you to the training section. So we have created complete training on how to be an influencer, how you can master the Instagram traffic, how you can generate leads and sales for any online and offline business today, and how you can tap into 1.1 billion users, buyers, to sell anything in any niche by leveraging the hottest traffic source out today, that is Instagram. So you can follow our Instagram training. We have included everything you need to get started with Instagram traffic, to start generating leads, start generating sales. Even you can create affiliate campaigns to drive traffic and make sales and make money through the Bling app. I'm sure you'll be amazed once you are inside the dashboard and you want to test the app on your own. So this is it from my side. If you want to get this app, you can get it on special discounted price right now by going to this link. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. I'll see you inside.